So if I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one. I guess I'm gonna have to call her back. I guess I'm gonna have to call her back. I guess we gonna have to go hit London, Paris, and Montego Bay. I guess
all hail to my favorite lady.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Kira and
Hey y'all, so it's your girl Kira, back at it again with another video, and I'm trying to figure out how I should do like my intros and stuff. So this is like something new I'm doing for like my intro, the whole like lip sync type thing, whatever, because all I do on Snapchat is listen to songs on the radio, and I be trying to sing. Even though I cannot sing, I be trying to sing. So I'm trying to see if this is something I want to do, because I already do this anyway. And I'm also trying to figure out what I should call my followers and viewers and stuff. Like, my name is KiraaQuintrel. My real name is Kira, but everybody calls me Kira, and my middle name is actually Quintrell. So I'm trying to figure out if I should call y'all like Kira Gang or Red Gang, because like my hair is always red, but I don't know, that's gonna come. So that's not why y'all clicked on this video. Y'all clicked on this video to see how I got these nice bouncy Flexirod curls. Like, get into the curls, mama. Like, yes, sis. Mind you, it's like 6:30 p.m. right now, and I did this at 2 o'clock this morning. So this is very possible. If you have a hair dryer, this is very possible in just a few hours. If you do not have a hair dryer, the same results can come with overnight drying, but we'll get into all of that. So if you guys are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, and I'm gonna have a lot more content for you guys coming soon, so stay tuned. And if you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and look at my other old videos, not old videos, but older videos. It's just a few of them, and leave me some comments. Like, I know it's just like a few of you guys right now. This is a very new channel and everything, but I want to know what you guys like want to see. You know, my page says all hair everything, and I do my natural hair, I do extensions, weaves, hair coloring, all of that. Like, I'm doing a lot of stuff, and I have a lot of new stuff coming out as well. So with all that being said, thank you guys for clicking on this video, and let's get into the tutorial. Thank you.
All right, you guys, so this is the wig that I'm going to be curling today. What I like to do, I just like to separate some of the hair so I can work in sections. And all the products that I'm going to use, I'm going to put in the description box below. So I like to take a section of the hair, damp it with some water if my hair is dry, put about 2 mini squirts of foam wrap lotion on the hair. Make sure I saturate it really well, comb it in, take the size Flexirod I want to use. Make sure I curl the end of the hair onto the Flexirod, and then I just roll it up all the way to the top. My technique for curling my hair this time, I didn't have like a certain direction I wanted to go in. I just did some of them going inward, some of them going outward, some going to the left, some going to the right. I didn't want the same pattern all around my head because I just wanted my hair to be full. So if you guys want your hair to be full, make sure you go back and forth with the type of directions you want. If you want it to go under, if you want it to go over. I just did that throughout my whole head, and that's why my hair doesn't look like it's just, you know, going one way, one curl. So I just continue to take a section, damp it with some water, comb it out, put some wrap foam lotion on the hair, and wrap it with the Flexirod. Once I got to the top section of my wig, I wanted to make sure that I use less hair on a Flexirod so my closure could stay laying flat once I styled it, once I was done. So I made sure that once I sprayed it with the water, I was spraying the water, putting the I was putting the foam lotion on top of the hair, and I was laying everything flat, very, very flat. And you'll see once I'm done how everything came out flat and all my curls aren't just like at the top of my head. And right now I have let my curls sit under the dryer for about 2.5 hours. Now, as I said in the beginning of the video, you can let your hair sit out overnight, at least 24 hours. Give you some time for everything to dry. The reason why I had a couple hours today is because I was making multiple videos. So make sure all of your hair is dry. Once all of your hair is dry, I like to take some argan oil and saturate my fingers. As you can see right here, my fingers look very wet. Like, baby girl, sis, honey. Okay, that was extra. But I want to make sure my fingers are very saturated because I try to take apart my curls and curl them in the direction they were turning. But since I had so many curls, it was just going to be double the work. So what I decided to do was take the curls apart how they were inside of, I didn't want to disturb the curl too much. I just took it out, slid my fingers all the way from the root to the end, and just let it flow the way I wanted to. So I did not curl the hair at all with my fingers. I just separated them and kept it moving for the whole entire process. I like to put more oil on my hair when I got done with a whole Flexirod curl. So I resaturated my fingers every time I was done with a curl, as you can see, to make sure that my hands stayed moisturized and that all the curls had the same amount of moisture given to them, and some weren't drier than others because I wanted all of my hair to look like it was, all equally taken care of in a sense. And that's just about it. You guys these curls, depending on how good you take care of them, can last up to a week or two. And this also depends on how much wrap foam lotion you put onto the curls. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.